Morning class 9th students. Before starting exercise 2.5, first you understand all the algebraic identities which is written. So first you understand that first algebraic identity x plus a multiply with x plus b, we get x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Next identity is x plus a multiply with x plus b multiply with x plus c equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c is whole square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Third identity x plus y is multiplied with x minus y, we get x square minus y square. Whole square of x plus y is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Whole square of x minus y is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Whole square of x plus y plus z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Whole cube of x plus y is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Whole cube of x minus y, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy bracket x minus y. X cube plus y cube. It has two forms, factor form and general form. The factor form of x cube plus y cube is x plus y next bracket x square plus y square minus xy, or whole cube of x plus y minus 3xy in bracket x plus y. This is also formula of x cube plus y cube. X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y next bracket x square plus y square plus xy, factor form, or its general form is whole cube of x minus y plus 3xy in bracket x minus y. 11th formula, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z next bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. तो ये जो एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़ हैं आप इनको अच्छे से रिवाइज कर लीजिए, लर्न कर लीजिए. ये आइडेंटिटीज़ न केवल 9th स्टैंडर्ड में बल्कि 10th 11th 12th और आगे की जो भी क्लासेस में आप मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ेंगे उनमें बहुत यूज़फुल हैं. इनकी हेल्प से आप इजीली क्वेश्चंस को कर पाएंगे और जल्दी कर पाएंगे, टाइम भी बचेगा. तो रिवाइज ऑल द एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज, देन यू स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 2.5. सबसे पहले रिवाइज करिए, लर्न करिए, बल्कि सारी आइडेंटिटीज जब बहुत अच्छे से लर्न हो जाए तो आपको एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करनी है. तब एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करें तो सारी एक्सरसाइज आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगी. तो इसके बाद मैं एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करने वाला हूं, तो इसके क्वेश्चंस को समझ लीजिए. एक्सरसाइज 2.5. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यूज सुटेबल आइडेंटिटीज to find the following products. First, x plus 4 multiply with x plus 10. X plus 4 multiply with x plus 10. So we write x square plus 4 plus 10 into x, 4 into 10, because this is x square, and then we write a plus b. In place of a we write 4, in place of b we write 10. Multiply with x plus 4 into 10. So which identity we apply here? We apply here x plus a multiply with x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. By using this identity we find the product of these two terms. So x square plus 4 plus 10, 14x, and 4 into 10, 40. So this is the required solution of this sum. Now next sum is second sum, that is x plus 8 multiply with x minus 10. Here x plus a is written but x plus b is not written. So first we make in form of x plus b. So how we make? We write down x plus minus 10. So whole minus 10 becomes b. This is the x plus a, this is the x plus b. Then we apply an identity. That identity, x plus a multiply with x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So when we multiply this identity, we write x square plus a plus b, 8 plus minus 10 x plus AB. It means 8 into minus 10. So we write x square plus 8 minus 10 minus 2 or minus 80. We write fourth part of this sum, y square plus 3 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ y स्क्वायर माइनस 3 अपॉन 2. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वी अप्लाई x प्लस वाई मल्टीप्लाई विद x माइनस वाई. सो वी राइट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, राइट वाई स्क्वायर स्क्वायर माइनस 3 अपॉन 2 स्क्वायर. सो वाई रेस्ट 4 माइनस 9 upon 4. So which identity we apply? Y multiply with x minus y, that is equal to x square minus y square. X square minus y square. So by the help of these identities you solve the question number first. Now question number second. In question number second, evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So first part of this sum is 103 multiply with 107. So 103 multiply with 107, we write 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. We expand 100 plus 3 as a 103 as a 100 plus 3 and 107 as a 100 plus 7. Then we apply an identity x plus a, x plus b. Consider x as a 100 and a as a 3 and b as a 7. So we write 100 plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. So square of 100 is 10,000 plus 7 plus 3 10. 10 multiplied with 100, that is equal to 1000 plus 7 3 is 21. So after adding we get this. Like that you solve the remaining part of second question, that is equal to 95 into 96. So in place of 95 into 96 you write down 100 minus 5, and in 96 100 minus 4, and you apply the formula identity x plus a multiply with x plus b. Third part of this sum 104 को राइट कर लेंगे 100 plus 4 and 96 as 100 minus 4. So 100 plus 4 multiply with 100 minus 4, apply identity x plus y multiply with x minus y, that is equal to x square minus y square. तो सॉल्व कर लेंगे इसी तरह से. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, थर्ड का फर्स्ट पार्ट 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 6xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. तो 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 6y प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, इसको हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ 9x स्क्वायर we write down 3x whole square, y square as a y square plus write down 2a means 3x and b means y, multiply this 2 3 is 6, that is equal to 6xy. So this is a whole square of 3x plus y. When we expand whole square of 3x plus y, we get 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So after factorizing this, we get two factors, 3x plus y plus 3x plus y. But these are the two factors of 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. First part of fourth question is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So whole square of this is, we apply an identity x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus 2x into 2y plus 2y into 4z plus 4z into x, because x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So after solving we get x square plus 4y square plus 4 4 is 16 z square 4xy 2 to the 4 4 is 16 by z plus 2 4 is 8 zx. Next, second part of this sum, 2x minus y plus z whole square. So in place of this, first we make all the as positive. So how we write this? We write 2x plus minus y plus z whole square. So all terms are positive. This is x, this is y, this is z. Consider this as a x. We write 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z whole square plus 2x into minus y plus 2 minus y into z plus 2 z into 2x. So we solve this 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 4 by z plus 4 zx 4 zx. Sixth part of this sum, sixth part, 1 upon 4 a minus 1 upon 2 b plus 1. First you make all the terms as positive terms, so we write this and 1 upon 2 b plus 1. So all terms are positive. Then we apply an identity, 1 upon 4 a's whole square plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 b's whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 upon 4 a minus 1 upon 2 b plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2 b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 upon 4 a. So after simplifying we get 1 upon 16 a square plus 1 upon 4 b square plus 1. 2 is cancelled from 2, so we write down minus 1 upon 4 ab. This 2 is cancelled, so minus b, and this 2 is cancelled, so we write down 1 upon 2a. So this is the required answer of the sum. Now the next sum. Next sum is the fifth sum. We factorize. We have to find out factors of the polynomial 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2 by z minus 8xz. So first you observe that the which signs are negative. The sign of 2 root 2 before 2 root 2 and before minus 8 is negative. So which variable is common in these terms? In this term we observe x is common. So the sign of first term, this is negative. We write down minus root 2x whole square. Then we write down y square. Then we write down 2 root 2's whole square plus x square plus y square plus z square. Then we write down 2ab. A means root 2x into b means y. Then we write down 2bc y into 2 root 2. Then we write down 2ca 2ca means 2 root 2z into, this is the c, and a means minus root 2x. So when we multiply this, we get 2 to the 4 and root 2 8 minus 8 zx, that is equal to 8 zx. 2 to the 4, 4 root 2 yz, 4 root 2 yz, and next one is minus 2 root 2 xz. So this is a whole square of root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z's whole square. ये होल स्क्वायर इसका हो जाएगा. देन वी राइट टू फैक्टर्स माइनस रूट 2x प्लस वाई प्लस 2 रूट 2z, and next factor is minus root 2x plus 2 root 2z. तो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस नेक्स्ट सेशन में मैं आपको बताऊंगा. आई थिंक यहाँ तक के सारे सम्स आपको समझ में आए होंगे. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप वीडियो लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा. अलजेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज को लर्न कर लीजिए, देन सॉल्व करें. ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है. इस एक्सरसाइज से ज़रूर क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. थैंक यू.